Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply e-visa to travel to Romania. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ministry of Foreign Affairs Romania's website. Okay, here on the main page itself, I have the link apply for a visa. Okay, and you can see it's e-visa, apply for a visa online. Yeah, so first steps, apply, fill your details, continue, check the status, and once it is done, wow, that's good. And they will guide you for the next step. So I go and I click on apply. Yeah, maximum attachment 2 MB. These are the file formats selected. So terms condition are given here. Read them, and once you are ready, go to next. General provider. Okay. Sign up is put your email, password, confirm password, put text, and go for next. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, guys. So what happens? Once you put your email, password, confirm password, and that captcha, the system sends your file number to the email account that you have entered. And in the next screen, you have to enter that file number along with your password that you just created in the previous screen and the captcha. Then you come to this screen. Okay. So I select uniform. Next. All the information you see here is going to be sample. Okay. Correct nationality. Okay. Do it as per your own case. Okay. Loaded. The country of residence. Again, do it as per your own case. Diplomatic mission consular post where this application will be launched. Type of travel document. I'll say ordinary passport. Most of people will have this. Is your travel document biometric? I select yes, but check your passport. Type of visa, so I select tourism. Now let's check if you fall under these categories because it's part of a Schengen state now. I select none. Okay, but yeah, read it because that may grant you some exceptions. Accordingly, you can apply for uniform visa for foreign circumstances. Yeah, so I need to select one jurisdiction. If the visa include more than several, visit to be carried to the Romania as a member state hostel. Okay, so I said this. Or let's say you're just going for Romania. So I'll just select this. You can select one of these based on your circumstances, of course, and it's gonna depend. Okay. So what are the things they have? Travel document, passport, travel ticket. If you have any question, you can click on this I and it will give you the information. Proof of integration, family ties, okay, with the host inviting purpose, uh, means of support, consent, proof of employment, bank statement, proof of financial means. You can just click on this. Okay, fine. Itinerary, supporting documents if you want to upload more. Okay. So here what happens, the process is like first you'll upload here and then do you'll like you'll fill all the details, pay, and then they will describe you next steps how you can be called to, or how you're going to schedule your appointment with the diplomatic mission to submit them the final application. Okay, so I'm just trying to bypass, or somehow I bypass, but don't bypass, provide the documents. Particular situation. Okay, so just read, and then if you fall under any of this, set that. Otherwise, no. Personal data at stage 5, it has come for surname, first name, surname and birth. If not sent, then uncheck this and this. Date of birth. I'm just putting sample. Country of birth. Place of birth. Check your passport for this. National ID number, wherever applicable. I had used my PAN card details and it was successful. Place of residence. Nationality at birth. Other nationality, India does not allow dual nationality. Gender. Marital status. Separated, divorce, registered, single. Oh, aha. Phone number where you can be contacted. Do it as per your own case. Details about your family. So they have asked for your parent details, sibling details. If the person filling the application different from the applicant, a residence permit or equivalent, residence in a country other than the current country nationality, I select no. So then I don't need to worry about. But if yes, then you have to provide. And I'm skipping all these fields because they are not mandatory. But don't hide. When you do, definitely provide the information. Type. Okay, passport detail, issuing country, issuing authority, check your passport, it will be there. Date of issue, date of expiry. If you reside in a country other than the country of origin, you have to permission to return to that country. But if you live at the same country, no worries. Occupation, okay. Your employer detail, photo you have to upload, of course, and it should meet the standard. Don't miss any of these steps, although they have not shown it mandatory, because it's like a sample video, that so I may skip some, but don't. So you can see what you can be here. Technical diplomat or also know this you cannot be. Baker, banker, blue collar worker, billman, cashier, lorry driver. Wow. If I select computer expert, yeah, for IT, we can use this. So I'm going to bypass all these steps, but definitely you don't do provide full details. 9 characters. Visa. So C uniform and destination. I'll say number of requested entries. I select one. Duration of stay. I'll just say 10. Previous stay in Romania or any other Schengen member stay. So let's say he did not have any. So that's fine now. Intended date of arrival. So let's say you're coming of departure. It should match with what you have entered. Member state of first entry. Order post. Planned route. Provide full details. What you are doing. Mode of transportation. I said here. This field does not have to fill the fact. Additional information. other destination, member state of first entry. Provide full details here. I've left these fields, but provide it. Who's gonna be traveling and living covered by yourself? Cash, credit card, prepaid accommodation. Entry permit, not valid. Fingerprint corrected for the purpose of applying for Schengen visa. I select no. Details regarding your journey. Your family, spouse, name. So because you're single, you can leave them. Same thing for EU. Information in the care of a Romanian citizen, then provide that information. Children. Just regarding the host person, hotel, type of host. Let's go to hotel, hotel name. I just hotel address, email address. So if you have booked, definitely you have email address and other things. Telephone number. Next. Applicant home address. You need to provide. And in the next, you will just review and submit the application. So of course, I'm not going to submit and pay and do other things, but you got an I had to do this. And if you're applying from India, I have opened this Embassy of Romania in the Republic of India. So step 1 is what we have gone through. Okay. Step 2, that you have to get an appointment. Okay. You submit the application physical with all the supporting documents. They will guide you about it once you do. And then like if it is granted, you're all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.